Say goodbye to highways. What if I told you that your next bus ride could feel like a first-class flight at 600 miles per hour? The age of traffic, fuel pollution, and hour-long delays is ending. Meet the Hyperloop-inspired public bus system, the next step in global travel. It's being called the Hyperbus, and its creators believe it could replace traditional highways forever. What is a Hyperbus? A Hyperbus combines Hyperloop's vacuum tube tech, magnetic levitation, and electric power into a transport pod, but on public roads or dedicated tracks. Instead of flying or crawling through traffic, it levitates and glides silently, avoiding friction and reaching unthinkable speeds. Prototypes are already in development in China, the UAE, and California. The technology behind it. The Hyperbus works using Maglev, magnetic levitation, and electric propulsion. With no wheels touching the ground, there's almost zero resistance, which means ultra-high speed with minimal energy. It's also AI-driven, equipped with real-time sensors, climate control, and smart route management. Where it's being tested now. In Dubai, the Road Transport Authority is testing vacuum tube pods. In China, the CRRC has begun trial runs of 373-mile-per-hour Maglev buses. In the USA, private startups like Arrivo and Elon Musk's The Boring Company are proposing connected hyperbus cities. This isn't decades away, it's already happening. Why this will replace air travel? The Hyperbus isn't just fast, it's cheaper, greener, and scalable. For short and medium distances, it's faster than flying and doesn't need airports. That means lower costs, less pollution, and no security lines. It could connect cities 100 to 500 miles apart in under an hour. The future is already arriving. Whether it's from China, Dubai, or Elon Musk's secret teams, the Hyperbus is coming. Soon, you'll choose between flying or gliding silently at 600 miles per hour across your country. This is the Hyperloop of public buses, and it's about to disrupt everything. Don't blink, your commute may never look the same again.